I'm your doggy, and I love you.
Hello, you're listening to Smart Animal Talk, All Paws Pet Talk Radio, with me, Deb Wolfe, coming to you from Camp Good Dog, Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. But not all of you can get here or send your dogs here, so check us out on Facebook or go to DeborahWolfeOnline.com, where you can find everything. And I'm upgrading and updating my site, and pretty soon I'm going to have a teaser there for you all. Yes, I am, and I'm going to be offering all kinds of things like my books on ebooks and my DVD on a download, and maybe courses like Sue's, because we're going to find out about that. Just because you may not live where Dr. Furman lives doesn't mean you can't get her class. And you know what, Dr. Furman, years and years ago, I took a class by Linda Tellington Jones on T-Touch, and it came with a video and you a whole bunch of things, and then she traveled here and taught like a weekend, and I learned so much from that. I would really be interested in updating, because that's a couple of decades ago. There must be so much new information.
Oh, there is, and what you've learned is anytime you put your hands on a dog and just to pet them, you're actually interacting with that dog. And I always say, you learn canine massage, then you can pet with a purpose. And that's what massage is all about. And you're learning so much more about how to help that dog be the best dog it can, the healthiest, happiest, most fit dog that it can be.
So if people are listening, and they are, all over North America, there's listeners worldwide, England, Japan, Korea, all kinds of places, how can they learn canine massage from you?
Okay, if they go to my website, which is www.holistictouchtherapy.com, they can sign up for my classes there. And the classes I teach that are not in-person classes, they're online classes, and they consist of about 50-minute PowerPoint lectures where I'm explaining what's on every slide that's available and telling the students how to do various things. I teach a little bit about canine anatomy and physiology and the benefits of massage. Then I describe the Swedish massage moves, and there's a video clip of every one of those massage moves that they can play over and over so they can practice that massage move watching me do it, and they can do it on their own dog at their own home. And
okay, so when I go get a massage for myself, I don't just go to a place with a sign out that says massage parlor. I'm not that trusting a person. If I was going to go for a massage because, you know, I've got that usual tennis elbow, which I like to call heel walk elbow, because it's all about making the dogs heel over and over and over. If I have that problem, then I go to a registered massage therapist. I don't want to get into somebody who thinks they know what they're doing and maybe causes damage, or worse, something completely not therapeutic and perhaps more for entertainment purposes. So I want to go where there's a registered massage therapist. If someone doesn't necessarily want to do it themselves, but they want to get treatment, how can they do that? And what's the difference between a certified massage practitioner for canines and just somebody who says they know they can read your dog's mind and heal him? Because I meet those people. I do. I meet those people at the pet shows. They tell you that your dog's dead and he's communicating with them. Meantime, he's at home or in the car, and you just saw him 10 minutes ago. They're so wrong. So yeah, and then they want to put their hands on your dog and heal him, and you don't know what kind of training they've got.
No, if they're a certified canine massage practitioner, they should have a certificate that they can show you from a school like mine, and there are a couple others available, but they should definitely have a certification that is real from a school, and you should be able to look the school up online. I mean, they can't just make up the name of something. You should be able to look wherever they say they got their training. You should be able to find that online and know that they really know what they're doing.
I noticed that there's two tiers here. So if someone wants to first learn how to give good massage to their pets and, pet with a purpose, as you say, they can go to holistictouchtherapy.com and sign up for the course. But what if they want to go one step further? What if they want to actually maybe make a career out of it, maybe teach other people how to do it? What could they do then?
Well, then I have a much more involved program. It consists of 12 modules, and they have to not only watch my PowerPoint lecture, they have a reading assignment out of my book, they have to take a test online that's immediately graded, and it comes with a lot of handouts and other material, so they get a lot more in-depth learning. And then if they want to, they can even come to my facility for a 1 or 2 day hands-on class afterwards, to kind of emphasize what they've learned. But I've had students, two of my more recent students were from Singapore. Obviously, they can't come to my facility. So students from around the world can learn canine massage by taking these online classes and actually become certified canine massage practitioners if they desire.
The first level, you said there were 50-minute PowerPoint lectures. How many of those are there?
Well, if it's just a pet lovers class, there are like 3 or 4.
Okay. And the other level, there's 12.
Yeah, to become a certified canine massage practitioner, there are 12.
Okay. Well, that's so great. I'm looking forward to finding out more, discovering more, maybe even connecting with you to make a special offer to my website visitors, because this sounds like something that a lot of my followers would be quite interested in. There might be a way to figure something out.
Oh, I'm sure if we sat down and talked about it, we could do that.
Yeah, that would be nice. All right, everybody. So we've been talking to Dr. Sue Furman. If you want to find out more about holistic touch therapy, about massage for dogs, about becoming a certified canine massage practitioner, about why maybe it works, who it works on. Actually, we still have a little time in this segment. So what kind of results have you seen? Go to holistictouchtherapy.com if you want to find out more. And I'll just finish up the interview asking Dr. Furman, what kind of good results have you seen?
Oh, I've seen any number of good results. I was at a pet expo just a few weeks ago where a little dachshund was there who had problems walking, and he was in a rescue group, and they brought him over for me to evaluate. And it's interesting enough, a student of mine and I worked on him, and they were amazed that he was walking so much better than when he just arrived. So sometimes the results are almost immediate. You can start to see a difference. Sometimes it takes a little longer. People may be interested in just looking at one of my books or my DVD to learn a little bit more about canine massage on their own also. And those two are available on my website.
Nice. Well, I've seen some great results. I've seen, and the thing that really makes me notice how the animal, people always claim they know what the animal's thinking or feeling or wanting. But when you see a normal dog that's not used to going to the vet, wasn't sick much its whole life, and you have to drag it into the vet clinic, you have to drag it through the front door, and it just doesn't want to go there because that's what it's like. Most of the time it goes there. That happens a couple times. Then you get on a treatment like this, and that same dog is dragging you into the vet clinic for his treatment. You can't help but know he wants it, and it makes him feel better. So, it's dramatic. I've seen stuff like that because oftentimes I'm hired to take people's dogs for their treatments, pick them up, do things with them that maybe are difficult for the people. And this is the kind of thing I end up having to do. But you do see the dog will tell you if this is the right treatment. Oh, we only have a minute left. So everybody check out Dr. Furman. You can go to holistictouchtherapy.com to find out more about pet massage and start touching your pet with a purpose. Thank you for joining us today, Dr. Sue Furman.
Thank you for having me. I totally enjoyed it.
And where are you located, just in case people do want to try and get there?
I'm in Victoria, Texas.
Texas. Oh, see, Victoria, I thought near me. No way. That's really far. Okay, everyone.
Victoria.
Yeah, different Victoria. Very different. I bet people make that mistake, have their honeymoon, end up in the wrong spot. All right, everyone. So check out holistictouchtherapy.com and you can have Dr. Furman's amazing techniques in your home with your pets without traveling. All right, stay tuned to Smart Animal Talk, All Paws Pet Talk Radio. We'll be back in a moment.
Oh.